Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the PS4 error code invalid credit card. And so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is simply head over to settings, then you're going to go to account management, account information, and then you're just going to wait for this to load. Now once this is done loading, so the first thing you can do is the credit card / debit card that you have like set in or whatever, you're gonna have to make sure that the address of that is the same as like your address over here, because if the area code is like even like a little bit different or it's like too far off, this is the reason why you are having the error in the first place. So just make sure the addresses are like linked together. And yeah, now the second method you guys can do is simply turn your PS4 off, turn it off, and then what you're going to do is you're going to unplug all the wires out of your PS4 and then replug them in. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then yeah, then you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.